So here we're doing a experiment on school culture and how to build a strong, safe, supportive, and respectful school culture. So we have two glass jars, and we're going to see, those represent two different schools. And so we have School A on the left, and they are filling the foundation of their school with these big rocks. And the big rocks represent social and emotional intelligence. So we have empathy, compassion, trust. We have active listening. And we have mean versus nice, the 8 essential questions. All the 5 components of the Generation Text Framework. Now you see the school on the right is filling their foundation with academics. So those rocks represent the tests, the essays, the papers. Then they represent the coursework. And now you see the school left is going to put their coursework and their teachers, extra help, and all of that above the foundation of the social and emotional. You see the school on the right is going to put in all the social and emotional intelligence after the academics. And you'll see on the right, not even quite fitting in. The social empathy and compassion are not quite fitting into the school culture there. So next we have cups with sand, the smaller rocks, and that represents the social emotion. You can do one at a time. So she's going to do, she's going to fill all the social stuff now and get that in there. And she's going to try not to drop it and shake it so that it fills in. And that represents, Facebook and the prom and athletics and the clubs and all the social things, graduation parties. And you'll see she'll fill that entire jar. You can start filling the one on the right as long as it's the same amount. Let's see how the social fits in on the school on the right. It's going to be hard to have a successful social environment with some of those key components not really fitting in and not a part of the school. What if that big rock is trust or empathy or compassion? Keep filling it, keep filling it. My handy assistant is doing her best to assist us with this. And again, as long as we have the same amount. Okay, do we have the same amount? Same amount of social? Okay. And next, we're going to use one more representation. The water. You see the water. And we have the water, which represents the storm. The storm. And let's just see what school takes in the most storm. And the storm may be cyberbullying, bullying, racism, diversity, mean, negative, hurtful behavior. Okay. Okay, it doesn't fit it all in, does it? Huh? All right, let's see the other school. Let's see how much you can take here. How much adversity and social problems can it take? Okay, it's filled to the top. So look, the school on the left, who put the social and emotional intelligence of their students as the most important and the foundation of their school, was able to take the least amount of bullying, the least amount of discrimination. The one on the right, the school on the right that put academics first, took a lot of bullying, negative behavior, sexism, and racism. Which school do you want to be? School on the left, School A, or the school on the right, School B?